Okay. Like right here, it's already receded. The water line's right about here. Level where it rose. And I think, Mr. Oviedo, is that looking into your place? Okay. That's your place there, right? And it's still pretty much the same. We were there yesterday afternoon late. It's still pretty much the same as it is here. Just showing you the 4-foot fence, I would guess. That's where the water's still running. This is on the other end, on the north end. The water it receded here, but it was, you can't hardly see it, but it's right about right here on this little home here. Right below where there's some fuel tanks that you can't see. It got to the top of those fuel tanks, those propane tanks. This one is right here, yours?
Yeah. So that's still standing.
Go ahead, Joe. And this one, you can see it right here on the fence. It's right about right here. And I think, did it get in your home?
I think so, yeah.
You haven't been able to make it back in?
No, I haven't gone in there, but I'm not going to go in there till the insurance guy gets here because I don't want to touch it.
Okay. Go ahead, Joe. And this is the Lee's place, Damon's place. That's where you can see where the water line was at there. Go ahead, Joe. And again, this is after when they went down to 750. It came down to this barn or shed right here came down about right there. Water line.
So you were still able to drive further down to Damon's place?
We've got right past Damon's place, I believe, to the trapper's place. Go ahead, Joe. We'll show you here in a minute. Here's where the water line was. And you can see it right here. It's marked right about here, all the way across. All the way across. And this is Mi Ranchito, the entrance of Mi Ranchito, and that water's rushing through that pretty good, right across the middle there.
So that's just automobile.
It's still there.
Hey, there's our first one.
Is that the other side of Melissa's?
Can you guys go back?
Go back.
It's probably, they're coming back up again. That's mine. First there.
Okay, that's it. Next house.
Does anybody want to buy that sheet?
Yeah, that blue Jeep's for sale outside of us.
Sir, you didn't show the other Montemayor house. You didn't show the other Montemayor house.
Water was too deep to get to it.
As far as we could go.
That was as far as you could go.
We got it from the other side.
So from the property that you did not get.
This is only from the property that we had access to off of that fire truck, and the water was coming up, it went above the gas, tank, so we backed out. And that, I think that gas tank sits about 3 foot, and the water was over, so we were gonna bring it
Going down, you know, they could see it coming back, when it was at the well, I could see where the water was at the end of the right there, behind.
That one, there we go. And then, don't you have one before that also?
They were up, you could see in the end.
Thank you.
Got another one to show you from the other angle, coming in from the north side from, I don't know who lives up there, but there's Jerry Hernandez. We took the railroad right away, all the way. Took us about 2 hours to get there, in and out, you know, do what we were going.
Mom knows.